haven't done a vlog like this in a long time, brother. Little Carfield Saturday action going on. You know, I got my fancy shoes going. About to get a cold start, Cameron. As I thought it was going to be. It was still a little warm from last night. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Cars and coffee. Hey. Button unloaded. Got the Lambo right there. The turbo. It's a good turnout, baby. Let's go look around.
Yeah, I think
I'm so glad this is finally done.
The new ZR1 is down.
What?
Down there. A blue R8 V10 is over there.
Oh, what a great turnout. All right.
New ZR1's down there.
It's a new ZR1,
yeah. Trackhawk's over there.
I've driven a few Trackhawks.
A lot of cool stuff out here today.
Oh, heck yeah. And then we got that show afterwards. We cruise that one place. This is going to be great. It is a really big turnout today. This.
It's hard, honestly.
Yes, this is your surprise. So it's like, would you get it in this color though?
Yes.
Well, I bought you this car, but just so you know, I did buy that twin turbo Lamborghini over there too. Go ahead. Oh snap! That says Platinum Automotive, as you can't tell.
That's it. You'll fly around. It ain't bad.
I think that's just a wrap. That's just a gold wrap. I think that might have came on there.
You only brought one?
Put it on Instagram.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Oh, there's the other one. I was like, one between. They always.
She's friendly. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
You got a spill.
No, don't give that.
Whoever North Charleston, you got enough fuel? Quarter tank? No, this thing's got quarter tank too right now. We'll stop somewhere at some point.
I'm actually recording for a friend. You can check it out at LamboDEB. LamboDEB. First time I felt that felt crazy.
out to Isaac getting shots in my car. We were just on the way here going crazy. I heard this hit a certain, I'll say 20 miles per hour below 200. And yeah, the show we're going to. Pretty big, actually. Got all kinds of cars showing up out here. This is mine, obviously. Andreas' car. All kinds of stuff showing up today, baby. Cameron, how was it, bro? Because I wasn't in there. I know I got video, but pretty slow, I heard. Was it pretty slow?
Nah.
Beat my challenger? Awesome bike. Come on. This is one clean Hummer, bro. Look at this, bro.
Maybe my reaction was that good because that shit caught me off guard. We was talking.
Finally. The first time I had an opportunity to ride in this, I gave the opportunity to Jesse because I'm nice, but he had to warm it up first, so she didn't get to go very fast. And the second time I gave it to Cam because I don't know why. But now it's my turn. I heard this is like a roller coaster, so I guess we'll see what happens. So most of you already know this is the twin turbo Huracan from Platinum Automotive with a dime racing thing on it, kit. So how much horsepower does this have?
We're putting about 1,000 down right now. We're gonna do a standalone soon and
Oh my god.
add some more power.
Okay, so I got to ride in this and drive it when it was stock. I've never ridden in a twin turbo Lamborghini. This is my first time. Of course that shit, of course it is. Of course, it's freaking Ricky. This thing sounds so good. This is the stuff you dream about if you're like me.
You're wild.
Is it too loud?
No, it's also wild.
Oh yeah. That's what everybody needs to experience. Woo! Okay, alright. That was, I think I just came back from Six Flags. That was, holy crap. Woo! I don't even, ow, my head hurts now. Oh. Alright, I don't even know what to say now. I'm speechless. Oh my god, that. Wow. Got GTS behind this. God.
You can't drive it with the ESC on.
Oh my god, I'm actually nauseous. But I'm like, it's the only time I actually enjoy being nauseous. That didn't make any sense just now. Oh my god, my left temple. Oh.
I know, it just feels normal now, right? The
Now,
first
see,
time I was ever in it.
I feel like when you drive it, it's different when you ride. That's why I wanted to ride in it. That's insane. What the? What?
Just fun, man. That is what it's about right there.
This is the Platinum. Right now, this is the office. Yo, you know we real black deep in here, baby. That Lambo was stupid fast. Listen, I don't know why people want to go that fast, but it was insane. This is the new building right here. It looks beautiful. As you guys probably remember how it looked before. It was not very pretty, but I don't know if this is unlocked or not. I'm gonna go see. This is what I really came to see. Oh yeah. Come on, roll there. Focus. There we go. Yeah, I love this. I don't know about the front end, but I like the stripes. The stripes are beautiful. I had one just like this on Forza without the red mirrors, obviously. I don't like the red bits.
You got some
toys. You want to do like a little clickbait?
Is this Bobby?
Well, actually, no, I can't be. No, I already got a better title than the clickbait.
What?
Wait, customer?
What's your title?
No, this is not Bobby's.
God, y'all are so rude. He was sick donuts.
That is beautiful. We have a nice car meet here, so you guys stay tuned. Put the cars in here. I put some lights under it. It's gonna look so nice. Now there's nobody around, I can really show you the car. The gold doesn't come off on camera like it does in person. The gold is like really, really shiny. Oh, it's not. Go to the other side. Oh yeah, that might be it right there. Oh yeah. I'll tell you guys something about this car. It should be illegal, that's how fast it is. Of course, how fast we were going was legal. We just did like 40 miles an hour. That's crazy, boy. Alright, I'm gonna end this video right now with Jesse driving, so I'm kind of scared. Got Cam in the back. I know he's getting tired of riding back there. Oh man, I'm kind of scared, man. I haven't ridden my Challenger. Well, yeah, I have actually. Yeah, Cam drove.
We might have to do a little backup again.
Keep going. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Look at that. Which way do I go? To get out of here. Okay.
Left and at the light, make a right.
Alright.
I'll tell you one. Oh, you already
There you
turned
go.
the camera off?
You're good.
Is it off?
No, it's still recording.
Still recording? I'll tell you
Yeah.
what, man. That twin turbo Huracan is no joke.
Yeah, it ain't no joke, man. That thing is
joke.
stupid. It don't make no sense why anybody need to go that fast, bro.
Oh my gosh,
and everybody
man.
get a ticket because this road is a 40 mile an hour zone.
I'm the
Everybody
only
you're
one.
doing like 60. Push the arrow up.
I'm the only one that gets to ride in that thing.
Yeah, you'll get to ride in it. I'll make sure you get to ride in it. That's a
It
police
is
station right there.
definitely crazy.
I mean,
Makes you feel like you might throw up.
yeah, listen, I thought I was going to throw up, bro.
But it's good nauseous.
Yeah, I was
It's
like,
very
yo,
good
I'm nauseous, but like, this is fun. It's like being on a roller coaster, but like you're in a Lamborghini, which is obviously, man, I don't even know how to explain that. That's something like astronauts say everybody needs to go to outer space and see the world from up there. I'm telling you,
Nobody says that.
I couldn't
the
imagine
astronauts,
going
I said
any faster.
astronauts say that. Everybody needs to experience it because it's an emotional thing, you know, like seeing the solar. Anyways, everybody needs to ride in the twin turbo Lamborghini, man. I'm telling you, if I had one,
Okay, now
everybody's getting rides if I could, bro. $1 a piece though.
$1.
Yeah, $1
Maybe
a
like
piece.
5.
Nah, I
for
can't
a
do that.
ride?
Nah,
In
you
a
got little
Lamborghini?
kids that don't got no money, and their
You
parents
better
gonna
do
say
that for
5.
free.
I would do it for free. All right, you guys make sure you comment, subscribe, share, like, subscribe again, comment a little bit more, like all my videos actually. Go back and like don't go too far back because some videos don't look too good. But yeah, I'll see you when I see you.